Here is my second tabbing exercise. I want left, center, right, and decimal. I'm going to go ahead and select everything. The first column should be left justified. I'm going to select the left justified tab marker and put it on the ruler. The second is to be centered, and I am going to select a spot on the ruler, and I still have my left justified tab marker selected, so I need to switch that over to center. So that one is centered. The next one is right, and I'm going to, once again, everything's selected. I'm going to click on a ruler, but I need to make sure I select the right justified. Right now it looks all centered. And then the final one is decimal. And once again, I'm going to click on the tab ruler and then make sure I select the correct tab that I want to use. And this one's going to be the decimal. And that's a little bit too, need to scooch this over to make it fit. And so now you see that all the numbers are aligned by the decimal point. And with that marker still highlighted, I want to add a dotted leader between the column. So I'm going to just click in the leader mark, and I'm just going to put a period, and I'm going to add a space behind it, and then I'm going to tab off of it. I could also actually, that didn't take, so period and a space. Oops, period and a space. That gives it just a little bit more room. So I have a left justified column with the left justify marker, a center justified with the center marker, a right justified, so everything is aligned on the right with the right justified marker, and then a decimal tab using the decimal marker. And then I added a leader with a period and a space, or you could just do a period.